Ji, Assalamu alaikum, my sweet and intelligent nursery class. So today is Monday, and as you know that we do our bookwork nursery class. So kindly open page number 1010. And I think by mistake, most of you, or you can say some of you, have done this page. I left this page just because at that time we have not done the spellings. Okay, nursery class. So, as to our class schedule, it's our turn to complete this page. Okay, nursery class. So, kindly open page number 1010, and from today, we will do those pages that your teacher Faisal, left. Okay, nursery class. So, please do follow me and only do those pages that the teacher is doing in the class. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. So nursery class, this is page number 1010, and kindly write down date on the top of the page. So nursery class, today date is 1818 1 2121. Okay, nursery class, and in the middle of the page write down class.work c.w. Today is a very simple page in case that you have learned the spellings. Today is the revision of the spelling nursery class. Can you please tell me that what is the spelling of one? One. Can you please tell me again that what is the spelling of one, nursery class? It's one. You only need to, nursery class, trace one. Okay? Do trace it. See, your teacher have traced it. Now it's the turn of number 2. Nursery, please tell me what is the spelling of 2? Is TWO2. Again, TWO2. So kindly, nursery class, do trace 2 and the spelling of number 2. Do trace it and then come to me. So nursery class, I have completed the spelling of 2. Now it's the turn of number 3, nursery class. So what is the spelling of 3? Is THREE3. THREE3. So what is the spelling of 3, nursery class? THREE3. Nursery class, I am tracing for you. You also have to trace. Okay, nursery class, do trace number 3 and then come to me. Now nursery class, come to the downside is tick the correct number. You have to tick the correct number. Like nursery class, we have two choices and one is right and one is wrong. What is this, nursery class? This is a butterfly. How many butterflies are here? 1. How many butterflies are here? 1. So we will circle 1. Is this the spelling of 1? No. Is this the spelling of 1? Yes, I think 1. Let's recall the spelling of 1, nursery class. ONE1. Again, ONE1. So circle, nursery class, 1. Now nursery class, come to the next box. What is this in the box? Caps. So you count how many caps are here, nursery class? 1, 2, 3. How many caps are here, nursery class? 3. So we will circle the spelling of 3. So nursery class, is this the spelling of 3? No. Is this the spelling of 3? Yes. Just recall the spelling of 3, nursery class. THREE3. THREE3. So nursery class, kindly circle number 3. So nursery class, look at in the next picture. What is this? These are pencils. What is this? These are pencils. So how many pencils are here, nursery class? 2. 1, 2. How many pencils are here? 2. So we have to circle the spellings of 2. Is this the spelling of 2, nursery? No. Is this the spelling of 2? Yes. What is the spelling of 2, nursery class? TWO2. TWO2. Okay, nursery class, we have done this page. You have to color in these pictures. Okay, nursery class, we have done one page, and as our routine, we do 2 pages in a day. So kindly open another page. So nursery class, kindly open page number 2020. Okay nursery class, have you opened? This is our second page. Your teacher Faiza left this page. Okay nursery class. So you only have to trace the spellings. Trace the number nursery class, trace number 4, and can you please tell me that what is the spelling of 4 nursery class? Yes, Four, 4. Again, repeat with me. Four. Nursery class, kindly trace the spelling for me and come to me. See nursery class, your teacher have traced the spelling. Now come to the next number. What is this number? This is number 5. And nursery class, can you please tell me that what is the spelling of 5? Yes, Five. 5. Again, Five. Again, Five. So kindly nursery class, trace the spelling of number 5 and then come to me, please. So nursery class, your teacher have done the tracing of number 5. Now nursery class, come to the next number, which is number 6. So nursery class, come to the number 6 nursery class. Please trace the number 6, and I think the spelling of 6 is quite simple. So what is the spelling of 6 nursery class? Six. Again, Six. So nursery class, trace Six. Nursery class, we have done the tracing. I have told you that today work is very simple and very quick nursery class. Now come to the next portion nursery class, in which we have two circles. Look at in the first picture, you can see there's a lots of balloons in the first picture. So let's count how many balloons are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balloons are here? 5. And we have to nursery class circle the spellings of 5. So look at the first spelling. Is this the spelling of 5? Look carefully. No, no, no. Look at this nursery class. Just recall the spelling of 5. Yes, it's Five. 5. Again, Five. So nursery class, please quickly circle the spelling of 5. Now nursery class, look at this mug. So let's count how many mugs are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many mugs are here nursery class? 4 mugs. So can you please tell me that what is the spelling of 4? Oh my god, 4 is on the first number. So what is the spelling of 4? Four. Again, Four. Now nursery class, look at in the next picture. What is this? Apples. Lots of apples nursery class. Now nursery class, you have to count that how many apples are here. Count, put the finger and then count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many apples are here? 6 apples. And nursery class, can you please tell me that what is the spelling of 6 nursery? It's Six. Again, Six. So nursery class, quickly circle the spelling of 6. Nursery class, you need to color in these picture beautifully and you have to send me. Now nursery class is the copy work time, and come to me and we will do the copy work. Assalamu alaikum nursery class. Welcome back to our online classes. Welcome back to our copy work nursery. And today we have again to do the backward counting nursery class. As if you remember that in the Friday lecture, I give the view of backward. Okay, and if some of you missed the video, you can go to my YouTube videos and you can watch. I have posted the lecture with the date. Okay, you can again watch and see the concept of the backward counting. Okay, and today we have to do the backward counting from 20 to 0. In the last lecture, we did the counting from 10 to 0, and in this lecture, we have to do the counting from 20 to 0. Okay, nursery class, it's very simple. Only Ali sent me the video of doing the backward counting. Okay, nursery class, none of you send the video. And if you really want to get the marks when the school inshallah is going to be open, you have to send me the video as the Ali sent. And if you want to again see, I will again repost in the group in the right now after this lecture. Okay, nursery. So how to do the backward counting from 20 to 0, nursery class? We have to move from 20 to 0, so that is why we write down 20, because we have to move backward, and our final destination is 0. Okay, nursery class? So nursery class, can you please tell me that what comes before 2020? Think quickly. It's simply like that, what comes before. So nursery class, can you please tell me that what comes before 2020? Yes, it's 1919. And what comes before 1919, nursery class? It's 1818. Excellent, my nursery. And what comes before 1818, nursery class? G 1717. And what comes before 1717 is 1616. At what comes before 1616, nursery class? It's 1515. And what comes before 1515, nursery class? It's 1414. And what comes before 1414, nursery? Super excellent. It's 1313. And what comes before 1313, nursery class? It's 1212. Okay, nursery class. And what comes before 1212? It's 1111. Okay, nursery class. In one line, you can do the family of 2020. You want to read one more time? 2020, 1919, 1818, 1717, 1616, 1515, 1414, 1313, 1212, 1111. Okay, nursery class, and please quickly think that what comes before 1111? G. This is my super excellent class, nursery class. It's 10. Okay, nursery class, please always make a sequence, always make a pattern. Okay, in this pattern, you will write 2020 in one line, and you write the backward counting of this family, and then write down 1010 in another line, and write down the 1010 family. And I think you are a king, or I can say the master of this, of the backward counting from 10 to 0. So nursery class, what comes before 10? 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, and then which number comes after 1? 0. You can write 0 over here, or it's better to write 0 over here. It looks more beautiful. And you know, we always make happy face with our last number. Oh wow, he's looking so happy, nursery. You can see my happy face. You can make your own happy face. Okay, nursery class? This is our today work, nursery class, that we have to do the backward counting from 20 to 0. Now, nursery class, kindly open your classwork copy so we can start our classwork. Okay? So nursery class, I have opened my classwork copy nursery class. As you know, first of all, we write the date nursery. Can you please tell me what is day today? G. Today date is 1/8/18 dash 1 dash 21/21. And what we write here nursery class? We write here classwork. Okay nursery class? And what we are going to do? We are going to write backward counting from 20 to 0. Okay my nursery? Now what we have to do? I have told you that which number we write first. We will write 20. Okay, and then leave one block. You always know that in the maths work we always leave one block. So leave one block and write down 1919. Then which number comes before 1919? G is 1818. And which number comes before 1818 nursery class? It's 1717. And which number comes before 1717 nursery class? It's 1616. And which number comes before 1616 nursery? It's 1515. And which number comes before 1515? It's 1616. And which number comes before 1616? Is 1414. And which number comes? Oops, nursery, what your teacher have done? Sorry, give me a time. Okay, nursery class, I make a new page for you. We were on the number of 1616. So nursery class, which number comes before 1616? It's 1515. And which number comes before 1515 nursery class? It's 1414. And which number comes before 1414 nursery class? 1313. And which number comes before 1313 nursery class? It's 1212. And which number comes before 1212 nursery class? It's 1111. Okay nursery class? So nursery class, as I have told you that do the work in a sequence. Okay nursery class? So make a new family and leave one block from here and write down here 1010. Okay nursery class? You know the counting of the family of 10? So which number comes before 1010? It's 9. Then 8. Then 7. Then 6. Then 5. Then 4. Then 3. Then 2. Then 1. And nursery class, which is the last number? Which number comes before 1? Tell me. Be quick, be fast. Yes, it's 0. Leave one block and write down 0. And make the happy face of 0 like this. Okay, nursery class? I focus on my happy face. Okay, which face you want to make, you can make. Okay, so our counting is finished. So as usual, nursery class, you know what you have to do. You have to do one page in the classwork and 2 pages in the homework. Okay, nursery class. Do note your homework, nursery class. Please write down the date on the top of the page. Okay, nursery class. And write down here backward counting, because these days we are doing backward counting. Okay, my nursery. Backward counting. Okay, my nursery. And write down here 20 to 0. Mama will write over here. Okay. And write down one time in a page. Don't send me or don't write 2 times in a page. Okay. It doesn't look decent. Write down one time backward counting in one page. Okay, nursery class. and last time we did the page of spellings 0 to 10, and in this day we will do counting from 0 to 50. Okay, nursery class, but you have to send me the recording of your spelling. Nursery class, make one audio in which you send the spellings of all the words, or maybe it's two audios. Okay, don't try to make 10 audios of the spelling, one spelling of one audio. Okay, so nursery class, it's the end of our work. So take lots of good care, nursery class. Stay safe, stay in home, stay safe in home. Take lots of good care of your health, nursery class. Today is too cold, nursery class. Please wear warm clothes. Don't go out. Okay, nursery class, because health is our first priority. Okay, goodbye, nursery. Allah Hafiz.